Episode 16 of Transportation Facts.
The Line 1 Yonge University train, or One Line, goes from Vaughan Metropolitan Center Station to Finch Station. It costs $3.30 to $3.35 to ride and is operated by Toronto Transit Commission, TTC. Trains run every 2 to 5 minutes, and they run from 5 a.m. to 1 a.m. depending on the day. The One Line is considered a rapid transit subway line. It takes 75 to 80 minutes to ride the full length of the line. What other cities should I cover? Comment down below.